So for our third tip, we call it spit it out, just meaning that we need to get more concise and to the point in our answer paragraph. So for this one, I just wanted to show you guys a few examples on the computer. So let's start off with this post called Most Common Travel Trailer Ball Size. This is something that I'm sure a lot of people are searching for their travel trailers. So let's go down to the answer paragraph. You can see that it says, while smaller 2-inch balls are common in little utility trailers and even some very small teardrop trailers, the 2 and 5/16-inch ball size allows for the heavier load of a camper trailer. So you see that the answer starts with a very specific caveat rather than an actual answer, what the reader is looking for. What we're looking for is the second half of that sentence. The 2 and 5/16-inch ball size allows for the heavier load of a camper trailer. That's the best possible answer here. Rather than starting out with a caveat, we should start with exactly what the reader is looking for. And I know that sounds a little nitpicky, but it really could be the difference between getting a Google snippet and not getting it. And for that, I also want to show you this post. Is fishing better in high or low pressure? If we scroll down to this answer paragraph, this is another prime example of what could automatically tell Google that we don't deserve the Google snippet. So the differences in air pressure allow for changes in fishing conditions. There are many opinions as to what is better for fishing. Fishermen will claim that a sudden low pressure system offers better fishing conditions than those of a high pressure system. We're defining low and high pressure systems, and then we say there are many opinions as to what is better for fishing, but the title of the post is fishing better in high or low pressure? So the person searching this, just wants to hear the answer to that, meaning fishermen will claim that a sudden low pressure system is better for fishing, but it really doesn't matter all that much. That's our answer. That's what we need to get to first.